What's up guys, BT here, and I'm excited to bring you guys a new review on the Divina S2, a brand new mouse shape from the king of mice shapes, Zowie. Now I've had the pleasure of using this mouse for the past couple weeks and I've been blown away by its performance and shape. If you guys love the Zowie FK or ZA series or just want to see what the S2 is all about, stick around because I'll be going over the design and the amazing features of this mouse and who I think it will be best for. Now first, let's talk about the design of this mouse. It leaves the normal Zowie black in the past that Zowie usually goes with, and now it comes in a powder blue and pink to bring awareness to women in esports. And not only that guys, I'm telling you guys, the new wave, the new vibey stuff is gonna leave the RGB behind and be going with fully colored peripherals. I saw somebody in the comments of my EC2B video, shameless plug, saying that they thought the coding was weird at first, but after a while they couldn't live without it, and I couldn't have said it better myself. When you first get this mouse, you might think it might be a little bit weird, but trust me guys, give it a little bit of time because after a while this thing sticks to your hand like glue and you start to realize that it actually does help you aim better. Now the scroll wheel and side buttons are colored white. The scroll wheel is nice and defined and is also clickable as a fifth mouse button. So in Overwatch, let's say I have my voice chat bound to that fifth button to make it easy to press. And also guys, the side buttons leave nothing to be desired. They're very clicky to say the least. Let me give you a sound test of the side buttons right now. I love it, Zowie, I love it. Very nice. It feels a little bit different than the EC2B and they're a little bit smaller, but they still feel amazing. It goes with that nice, light, small, compact size of this mouse very nicely. Since Zowie has always put their mouse 1 and 2 on the actual shell as one piece, people have complained, and they used to complain a lot that the clicks were too stiff on certain lines of their mice, like the FK series. Well, let me tell you guys, that is a thing of the past because these things are damn near perfect. Yeah, I said it. There's no break-in period or hoping they will loosen up over time. They just come perfect as is. So let me drop a sound test for you guys right about now. Here are the mouse 1 and 2. Very nice, very nice. I'm loving it. Oh, let me put it back up. There you go guys. Again, amazing mouse 1 and 2, some of the best in the business right now. I actually prefer the mouse 1 and 2 on the Zowie compared to the Logitech G Pro wireless. That's how much I like these clicks. Now this time they actually used a better rubber cord this time around, and in my opinion it won't give you as much feedback on your mouse even if you have no mouse bungee. So if you want to just have this laying all over your desk, you can do that as well. The cable is also geniusly angled up to keep the cord from dragging right where the mouse meets the cord, because this is where you would feel most mouse dragging while using a mouse, and the reason why you would need a mouse bungee with most mice is to keep it from lagging and having that slack to be on the mouse pad. So it's nice that they've thought of that and they've angled it up so it stays off your mouse pad. Zowie has always been known for making plug and play mice that all the professionals use. If you watch like a CSGO match, most people, like 80 to 90% of them, are going to be using a Zowie mouse. And even if they are sponsored by Logitech, it's kind of funny to see. I always give myself a laugh. They got that like the G lettering right here on their jersey, and then they're using the Zowie mouse. It's pretty funny. So this leads me to my next set of features, where on the bottom side you'll find the DPI adjuster, which allows you to switch between 400, 800, 1600 and 3200 DPI. A lot of people ask me what DPI I use. Personally, I rock 1600 DPI with a 3 game sense in Overwatch. On the other side, you're going to have the pulling rate adjuster, which allows you to switch between 125 Hz, 500 Hz, and 1000 Hz. I love that they just put both of these on the bottom of the mouse. It just makes it super simple to bring around with you to like a friend's house or LAN without the need of like installing a separate application to have your mouse work and to get all your settings back. Also on the bottom, they have these 2 gigantic mouse feet, probably the best stock mouse feet in the mouse game to date. I mean, name a company with better mouse feet. I'll wait. No? Okay. So now let's talk about the shape and the fit of this mouse and who it is for. The shape can be palm grip, but it's not ideal in my opinion because it's got that slope. It's got a nice hump at the back, making it perfect for claw grip, and the length of the mouse is actually short enough to where if you want to fingertip grip this mouse, you can do that as well. The shape is an absolute dream though for claw and fingertip grip users. It's ambidextrous, which some people say actually improves your aim because your wrist is not angled to the right or left. Myself personally, I use a claw grip fingertip grip hybrid, and I find this mouse to be very quick, allowing me to flick and lock on to opponents with my mind to mouse connection. You guys remember that from the EC2B video? Well, if you don't, what are you doing? Go watch the video. Shameless plug number 2. So for reference, my hand is 19 by 8.5 centimeters, and this mouse is perfect for me. If you have a hand size that is smaller, go with the S2. If you have a hand size bigger than me, I think you're going to want to look at an S1. Unless you really like small mice and you're a dedicated fingertip gamer that really loves like a small mouse to just move around and to stay out of the way of your palm. Now overall, just like its brother, the EC2B, this mouse's 3360 sensor, which is the top of the line, okay, not to brag or anything, but it's the top of the line right now. There are no spin outs, there's no lift off distance hiccups, just a very smooth gaming experience throughout. Now whether you're playing Fortnite or Overwatch, this mouse will be definitely a great alternative to the hard to come by Final mouse right now. And to be honest with you guys, this is actually in my top 3 mice currently for me. I'm not going to tell you what order they are, I'm going to save that for another video, but this mouse, the S2, it is in my top 3 now. So you guys were wondering, where's Zowie? Why is it not in your top 5? It's in there now. So I guess I'll have to be updating that very soon, guys. All right, and I'll be dropping a video on that. You know I will. All right, guys, so that is going to do it for this review. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions about the S2, let me know down below. Or if you just want to say hi, I'll be sure to answer you guys. It has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.